Hey everybody, Quail Mama here on Sunday the 9th of July, and I'm walking in to check the incubator thinking I'm not going to see any hatchlings until maybe at the earliest tomorrow when I'm at work all day. But I walk in and I see two open eggs, two broken eggs. And then I come around over here and oh goodness, we got little babies. 3 of them so far. So I'm waiting on 2 more. Yay, we got babies. Oh, little chickies. That makes me happy. Oh, sweet little babies. Now I gotta get the brooder set up again. I really didn't expect this so soon. Like I said, maybe tomorrow while I was at work or the next day. I really thought we had 3 full days to wait, but these guys are little early birds. Yeah, so cool. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.